An opening statement. This is to advise the general public that in compliance with Chapter 231 of the Public Laws of 1975, entitled Senator Byron M. Bear Open Public Meeting Act, New Jersey Casino Control Commission on December 11, 2024, filed with Secretary of State at the State House in Trenton an annual meeting schedule. On December 12, 2024, copies were mailed to subscribers. The use of cell phones in the public meeting room while the commission is in session is prohibited. Any member of the public who wishes to address the commission will be given the opportunity to do so before the commission adjourns for the day. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Welcome everyone who is joining us in person and remotely today. Meeting participants who wish to do so can continue to address the Commission through remote technology. We are also permitting in-person participation, and the public meeting room is therefore open. We will, however, continue to stream our public meetings. The public is able to listen through access provided on the Commission's website, as well as through our YouTube channel. We will accept public comments via email. Public comments can be sent to public.comments@ccc.nj.gov beginning now. I will repeat that. Public comments can be sent to public.comments@ccc.nj.gov beginning now and any time throughout the meeting, ending at the time of adjournment. This meeting is being transcribed as well as recorded, and minutes will be available on our website in due course. To meeting participant callers, I ask that you follow the instructions provided with the web link or audio call-in code and place your phones on mute until your matter is called. Also, when your matter is called, please turn on your camera and identify yourself before speaking. Thank you.
Good morning. Please answer when I call your name for the roll, please. Commissioner Formica? Here. Commissioner Molyneux?
Present.
And Chairman Pelosi.
Here.
Matters discussed in closed session this morning included a review of employee key license application matters. There was no litigation or personnel update. And approval of the July 2 closed session minutes.
Are there any questions for council or corrections?
Move to
I'm sorry.
agenda item number 1 is ratification of the minutes of the July 2, 2025 public meeting portion.
Are there any questions for council or corrections?
No.
Hearing none, is there a motion?
Mr. Chairman, I move to ratify the minutes of July 2, 2025.
I'll second that motion. Any further discussion?
No.
Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Ayes have it.
And 1 abstention.
Abstain, yes.
Agenda item number 2 is recognition of retiring Vice Chair Elisa Beth Cooper.
Whereas Alicia Beth Cooper was appointed to the New Jersey Casino Control Commission by Governor Chris Christie and began her tenure as a member of the commission in August 2012, completing an unexpired term. She was appointed by Governor Christie to a full 5-year term in 2014 and reappointed by Governor Phil Murphy to a second term in August 2021. And whereas Alicia Beth Cooper served the commission and the people of the state of New Jersey with great distinction from 2012 until her retirement on August 1st, 2025, earning the distinction of being the longest-serving member in the history of the New Jersey Casino Control Commission. And whereas she has demonstrated the highest level of personal integrity, scholarship, and dedication in fulfilling her duties and responsibilities as a member of the commission, thereby enhancing the public trust and confidence in the regulation of the casino gaming industry in New Jersey. Whereas her acute insight, attention to detail, and perspective analysis of complex issues aided immeasurably in the Commission's decision-making process during a crucial period in the development of casino gaming in Atlantic City and beyond. And whereas she has exhibited honesty, dignity, and compassion in discharging her duties and ensuring that all individual applicants and appellants were treated fairly and equitably, while her passion, professionalism, and wisdom earned her the praise, respect, and admiration of her colleagues and the entire gaming community. And whereas she has been a tenacious advocate and tireless watchdog in her efforts to ensure the continuing integrity of the casino regulatory process, and relentless in her efforts to promote Atlantic City and restore it as the convention and entertainment center and destination resort. And whereas it is fitting and appropriate to commend Alicia Beth Cooper for her noteworthy achievements and special contributions to the Commission, the state of New Jersey, and the casino industry during her distinguished tenure. Now, therefore, it be resolved that the Casino Control Commission and its staff hereby express their gratitude to Alicia Beth Cooper for her invaluable service to the Commission, for her contributions to the proper regulation of the casino gaming industry, and to the realization of the ultimate social and economic purposes of the Casino Control Act, and for her goodwill and friendship to the Commission. Be it further resolved that the Commission and the staff hereby extend their best wishes to Alicia Beth Cooper in all her future endeavors, and be it further resolved that this resolution be placed in the record as a commemoration of our sincere appreciation and heartfelt best wishes. Is there a motion to adopt the resolution?
Mr. Chairman, it gives me great pleasure to move to adopt the draft resolution.
Is there a second?
I second that motion.
Any further discussion?
No.
Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed? Ayes have it. Congratulations, Commissioner Cooper. The floor is yours.
Thank you.
We need some tissue.
Oh, no, I'm good. I'm good. I'm just, I was waiting for the chairman to ask me if I wanted to say a few words.
Would you like to say a few more
If you
words?
insist. I was waiting. Wow, that is just, that is absolutely beautiful. Thank you, thank you. Diana asked me if I wanted a tissue. Not really, it's just sitting here and just, I'm going to say reminiscing of my time here. There's so many things I would like to say, but I know we have a meeting. I say we, or you have a meeting to go forward with, so I'm going to keep my comments a little bit on the short side, but just thank you, thank you, thank you. This is absolutely, absolutely magnificent. Thank you all. I know it's been said in this magnificent resolution, but I just want to echo that it has truly been an incredible honor to have served on this commission for 13 years, as I say, served on the commission, and also to have served the state of New Jersey with this very, very important agency. It's just, I know all the agencies in the state are important, but this particularly because it impacts Atlantic City, the casino industry, and just the overall impact. As I said, it's been an absolute honor and a privilege to have served. The years that I was here, saw a lot of things, participated in a lot. I say participated, was a part of so many things and so many issues, again, that impacted a very, very important industry. And working with so many wonderful, wonderful people just really made it an absolute joy. And again, I say a joy and an honor and a privilege. Again, so many things came up during my tenure. And again, I know time is of the essence, so I'm not going to rehash 13 years. You're going, oh, gosh, could you? I could. And would I like to, but just looking ahead, again, it was just an incredible honor to be a part of so many things that impacted, as I say, the casino industry. And certainly last but not least, the friendships that I have developed, cherished, experienced over the years that I was here. So many people from when I started in 2012 to when I, departed a couple weeks ago. I don't want to say departed, but when my time was up, my tenure was up a few weeks ago. The friendships. And as I begin the next chapter of my life, those friendships are still there. Those are friendships that I will cherish, that are so near and dear to my heart. And certainly the industry is very important, but I have been very blessed, and I say honored and privileged and blessed, and friendships, they're also a very, very important part of my life. So with that, Jim, Joyce, Mario, this is absolutely exquisite. Thank you so very much. And again, an honor to have served, and an honor to be here today to accept this. This is just beautiful. Thank you. And I am, as I said, I'm blessed and privileged and honored. This is going to have a very, very special place in my home. Thank you so much.
Mr. Molyneux, do you have any comments?
Yes, I do.
And I'm going to,
As commissioners, we got along very well. I was pleased to work beside you and do the work for each other somewhere in this county sooner than later. So enjoy your life.
Joyce, thank you so much. And we will definitely be involved, and we'll see each other. And it was, again, as you said, we worked with each other just fantastically, and that was great. And thank you. Thank you for your kind words.
Commissioner Formica?
Sure. I've known Elisa, we're just talking. Elisa played at my sister's wedding reception sometime in the 70s, so that's how long I've known Elisa and her family, and of course I work with her wonderful son David at the prosecutor's office. And Elisa, I just wish you well, and in my replacing you, your grace, and I just hope that I can come somewhere near the job you did. And all the best wishes for you and your family.
Thank you so much. And as just mentioned, the weddings and the entertainment, that's a whole other part of the whole other chapter of my life. Again, I know time is of the essence, so we won't talk about all the entertaining and parties and places where I entertain. But again, thank you for your kind words. I wish you the very, very best of luck. I don't think luck is the exact word. I mean, you've got the experience and the background, and that will most certainly be that will certainly be very, very important as you proceed as a commissioner here. But again, your background and experience, it will be very valuable as you go forward. So I wish you the very, very best of luck. I also say thank you for the kind words about my family. And I don't mean to say most importantly, but you worked with my son, David. I know he has the greatest respect and admiration for you. He does. And again, thank you for the kind words today. They're greatly, greatly appreciated. And thank you for being a part of this resolution. Again, to Mario, to Jim, to Joyce, this is just beautiful. So thank you.
On the final note, again, I want to congratulate you. Thank you for the service you've done for the state of New Jersey Wells Commission. It was an honor to work with you for the last 7 years. In many projects, and I can't thank you enough for all the support you've given me as chairman as well as personally. And I want to wish you the best in your future endeavors, and I know we'll be seeing you along the way. So Godspeed and congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Just again, thank you to looking forward to Joyce, Jim, and Mario, and to the people who are here today. Thank you again for your support and your love, and it means so much to me. Okay, and I'm actually going to exit. Have a good meeting. Yes, we have a uniform. Okay, bye-bye.
reestablishing protocol. Agenda item number 3 are applications for initial casino key employee licenses. They include Ronaldo Arias, Joshua A. Cruz, Daniel G. DeFrancesco, Dennis J. Forbes III, Jessica K. Hall, also known as Jessica K. Warts, George J. McLean III, James D. Petroskas, Jacqueline A. Robinson, also known as Jackie Robinson, Jacqueline Rivera, Jacqueline Freeman, Yashida M. Santana, Anjanabine J. Trivedi, Amy Wong, also known as Tak Yi Wong. The matters of Jessica K. Hall, Joshua Cruz, Jacqueline Robinson, and Yashida M. Santana will be called separately. The remaining 7 initial casino key employee licenses have been reviewed by the Division of Gaming and Commission staff with the recommendation that those 7 be granted.
Are there any questions regarding any of these matters?
No.
Hearing none, is there a motion?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, Ms. Fauntleroy. At this time, I move to grant the 7 initial casino key employee licenses.
Is there a second?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
Any further discussion?
No, sir.
No.
Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye, opposed, ayes have it.
As to Jessica K. Hall, her application also includes a request for a multi-casino endorsement to serve as Director, National Casino Marketing, Regional, Caesars, Harrah's, and Tropicana. Again, reviewed by the Division of Gaming Enforcement with no objection, and Commission staff with the recommendation that her initial casino key employee license with a multi-casino endorsement be granted.
Is there a motion on this matter?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. At this time, I move to grant the initial application of Jessica K. Hall for a casino employee license with a multi-casino endorsement pursuant to NJS 5:12-91.1.
Is there a second?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
Any further discussion?
No, sir.
No.
Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, ayes have it.
As to Joshua A. Cruz, Jacqueline A. Robinson, and Yesaya M. Santana, an objection has been raised by the division with respect to each of those applications. Commission staff has reviewed, and it is recommended that those 3 matters be remanded to the contested case process.
Is there a motion on these matters?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. At this time, I move to remand for a hearing the 3 initial casino employee license applications.
Is there a second?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
Any further discussion?
No.
No, sir.
Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye, opposed, ayes have it.
Thank you. Item number 4 are applications for resubmitted casino key employee licenses and/or for qualification. They include Angela M. Biachini, also known as Angela M. Ham, Joseph A. Biachini Jr., Maura A. Buckley, Mark W. Capitola, Patrick A. Saboldi, Heather R. Dance, also known as Heather R. Estelle, April C. Delaringa, also known as April C. Witzke, Cynthia H. DiBerardino, also known as Cynthia H. Gonzalez, Cynthia H. DiBerardino Gonzalez, Joseph M. DePietro, Michael B. Lapointe, Patrick H. Madamba Jr., Mary H. Martinez, Philip A. Mazzone Jr., Renee D. Nelson, also known as Renee D. Dent, Renee D. Freeman, Susan M. Nicodemos, also known as Susan M. Alam, Susan M. Suprin, Raymond B. Parker, Maria M. Rosario, Hugh T. Turner Jr., Laura M. Tyson, and Elmer A. Velasco Canis. There are several inherent votes embedded in this particular agenda item, and they will be called separately. The separate votes will involve Michael LaPont, Cynthia DiBardino, Mary Martinez, Susan Nicodemus, Pat Madamba, Philip Mazzone Jr., and Q.T. Turner Jr. The remaining 13 requests for resubmitted casino key employee licenses have been reviewed by the division as well as commission staff with a recommendation that those 13 be granted.
Are there any questions regarding any of these initial matters?
No, sir.
No,
Hearing none, is there a motion?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, at this time, I move to grant the 13 resubmitted casino employee licenses.
Is there a second?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
Any further discussion?
No.
Hearing none, all in favor say aye. Aye. Opposed, ayes have it.
In the matter of Michael B. LaPont, it also includes a request to not establish residency pursuant to Casino Control Act provisions. Staff has reviewed as well as division raises no objection, and it is recommended that his resubmitted casino key employee license application without the need to establish residency be granted.
Are there any questions regarding this matter?
No, sir.
No.
Hearing none, is there a motion?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. At this time, I move to grant the resubmission application of Michael B. LaPointe for a casino key employee license without the need to establish residency as provided in NJSA 5:12-89B.
Is there a second?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
Any further discussion?
No.
No, sir.
Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, ayes have it.
With respect to the matters of Cynthia H. DiBardino, Mary H. Martinez, and Susan M. Nicodemus, the division has raised an objection with respect to those 3 resubmission applications. Commission staff has reviewed, and it is recommended that those matters be remanded to the contested case process.
Are there any questions regarding any of these matters?
No.
No, sir.
Hearing none, is there a motion?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. At this time, I move to remand for a hearing the 3 resubmitted casino employee license applications.
Is there a second?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
Any further discussion?
No, sir.
No.
Hearing none, all in favor say aye. Aye. Opposed, ayes have it.
Thank you. Now you have 3 resubmissions and qualifiers. The first is Patrick H. Madamba Jr. to continue to serve as Senior Vice President and Legal Counsel, MGM Resorts International. Again, division has reviewed as well as commission staff, and the recommendation is that Mr. Madamba's resubmitted casino key employee license and continued qualification be granted.
Is there a motion on this matter?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. At this time, I move to grant the resubmitted key license and qualification of Mr. Madamba.
Is there a second?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
Any further discussion?
No.
Hearing none, roll call vote.
Commissioner Formica,
Yes.
Commissioner Molyneux,
Yes.
and Chairman Pelosi.
Yes.
Next is Philip A. Mazzoni Jr. to continue to serve as Vice President, Slot Operations for Boardwalk Regency Corporation, LLC, and Harris Resort Atlantic City. This involves a multi-casino endorsement as well as continued qualification. Division has reviewed as well as commission staff, and the recommendation is that the resubmission with the multi-casino endorsement and continued qualification be granted.
Is there a motion on this matter?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. At this time, I move to grant the resubmitted key license with a multi-casino endorsement pursuant to NJSA 5:12-91.1, along with qualification of Mr. Mazzone.
Is there a second?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
Any further discussion?
No, sir.
No.
Hearing none, roll call vote.
Commissioner Formica,
Yes.
Commissioner Molyneux,
Yes.
and Chairman Pelosi.
Yes.
Next is Q.T. Turner Jr. to continue to serve as Senior Vice President and Chief Financial Officer for AC Ocean Walk LLC, doing business as Ocean Casino Resorts. Again, Mr. Turner's resubmitted application was reviewed by the division and commission staff, and the recommendation is that his resubmitted key and continued qualification be granted.
Is there a motion on this matter?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. At this time, I move to grant the resubmitted key license and qualification of Mr. Turner.
Is there a second?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
Any further discussion?
No, sir.
Hearing none, roll call vote?
Commissioner Formica,
Yes.
Commissioner Molyneux,
Yes.
and Chairman Pelosi.
Yes.
Item number 5 are approvals through delegation of authority between June 25, 2025, and July 31, 2025, pursuant to resolution number 22-011211B. We have Assistant Director Patrick Eeler, who is here to review those items with you. However, no vote is required at this time.
Good morning, Chairman Pelosi, Commissioner Molyneux, and Commissioner Formica. For the record, I'm Patrick Eeler, Assistant Director, appearing on behalf of the Regulatory Affairs Division. Between June 25th and July 31st, 2025, the staff of the Commission's Regulatory Affairs Division granted the following approvals via its delegated authority. On July 8th, 2025, temporary casino key employee licenses were granted to Lydia E. Poole for a casino cashier supervisor position at Caesars Atlantic City, and to Zoe N. Rivera, also known as Zoe N. Del Val, and Zoe N. Montalvo, for a Senior Manager of Purchasing Operations position at Borgata. On July 10th, 2025, temporary casino key employee licenses were granted to Juan LaBoy, also known as John LaBoy, for a dual-rate slot supervisor and slot shift manager position, and to Christopher T. Shunk, for an executive director of casino marketing position, both at Hard Rock Atlantic City. On July 16, 2025, temporary casino key employee licenses were granted to Joseph Gerace V for an assistant security shift manager position, and to Jody L. Hendry, also known as Jody L. Eichler, for a floor manager position, both at Borgata, and to Kevin E. Sutton for a Director of Purchasing position at Ocean Casino. On July 24th, 2025, a temporary casino key employee license was granted to Anna L. Contreras Oreco for a dual-rate slot services supervisor and slot services shift manager position at Tropicana Atlantic City. And on July 25th, 2025, a temporary casino key employee license was granted to Jared M. Mills for a count room lead position at Borgata. This memorializes the approvals that were granted by the Commission's Division of Regulatory Affairs via its delegated authority during this period, and no further Commission action is required. Thank you.
Item number 6 are requests for inactivation of casino key employee licenses. Again, we have Assistant Director Patrick Eeler, who will review those items with you.
In lieu of filing a casino key employee license review application, James R. Scalise, Rita D. Smith, also known as Rita D. DiPasquale, and Adam S. Zengel have requested to be placed on the casino key employee license approved inactive list. If the requests are granted, these individuals may remain on the approved inactive list for a period of up to 5 years. Commission staff has reviewed the requests and recommends that you grant the requested relief.
Are there any questions on any of these matters?
No, sir.
No.
Hearing none, is there a motion?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. At this time, I move to grant the requested relief in order that the 3 casino key employee licenses be inactivated.
Is there a second?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
Any further discussion?
No, sir.
No.
Hearing none, all in favor, say aye. Aye. Opposed? Ayes have it.
Thank you.
Item number 7 are consideration of the lapsing of certain casino key employee licenses. Again, we have Assistant Director Patrick Eeler to address those with you.
For your consideration is the lapsing of the casino key employee licenses of the following individuals for failure to file a casino key employee license review application or request to be placed on the Casino Key employee license approved and active list. Maravette Blake, also known as Maravette Velasquez. Melanie R. Gross, also known as Melanie Ruth. William S. Costerco, also known as Bill Costerco. Robert H. Patillo Jr., and Sadia Razifsaman, also known as Sadia Khalid. In each case, the due date for the filing of the Casino Key employee license review application has passed. Based on our review, staff recommends that the Casino Key employee licenses of the noted individuals be deemed to have lapsed.
Are there any questions regarding any of these matters?
No.
Hearing none, is there a motion?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. At this time, I move to find that the 5 Casino Key employee licenses have lapsed pursuant to NJAC 19:41A-6.1F of the regulations.
Is there a second?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
Any further discussion?
No, sir.
No.
Hearing none, all in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed? Ayes have it.
Thank you.
Agenda item number 8, consideration of the initial application of Derecha Washington for a Casino Key employee license. Docket number 250110-SI is adjourned. Item number 9, consideration of the initial application of Stephen E. Trainer for a Casino Key employee license. Docket number 250068CK. You have Senior Counsel Teresa Pepinelli here, who will address that matter with you.
Morning, Chairman, Commissioners. Teresa Pimpinelli, Senior Counsel, appearing for the Commission. For your consideration is the initial application of Stephen Trainer for a Casino Key employee license. The staff's memo and recommendation for this matter, Mr. Trainer was notified of today's proceedings. I would ask counsel for the division enter their appearance and proceed.
Good morning, Chairman and Commissioners. Jocelyn Fedowitz, Deputy Attorney General, on behalf of the Division of Gaming Enforcement. On May 12, 2025, the division filed a letter report recommending that the application of Stephen Trainer for a Casino Key employee license be denied pursuant to Sections 80B, 80D, 86B, 89B1, 89, and 89B2 of the Casino Control Act. Subsequently, the Commission, at its June 11, 2025 meeting, remanded the matter to the contested case process. Stephen Trainer failed to submit the requisite hearing request form and comply with the contested case process. Therefore, based on the applicant's non-responsiveness and failure to comply with the contested case process, as well as the issues detailed in the division's report, the division requests that Stephen Trainer's application for a Casino Key employee license be denied. Thank you.
For the record, Mr. Trainer is not here in person or telephonically.
Correct.
Thank you. Are there any questions for counsel?
No.
No, sir.
Hearing none, is there a motion?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. At this time, I make a motion to find Stephen E. Trainer disqualified pursuant to NJSA 5:12-80B and D, NJSA 5:12-86, NJSA 5:12-89, and deny his application for a Casino Key employee license.
Is there a second?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
Any further discussion?
No, sir.
Hearing none, all in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed? Ayes have it.
Item number 10 is consideration of the initial application of Jeffrey Bartone for a Casino Key employee license. His matter is docket number 250104SI. Again, we have Senior Counsel Pimpinelli here to address that matter with you.
Chairman and Commissioners, Teresa Pimpinelli, Senior Counsel, appearing for the Commission. For your consideration is a stipulation of settlement for the initial application of Jeffrey Bartone for his Casino Key employee license. If approved, Mr. Bartone's license will be valid through August of 2030, subject to certain conditions. You have staff's memo and recommendation for this matter. Mr. Bartone was notified of today's proceedings. I would just ask counsel for the division to enter their appearance and proceed.
Chairman and Commissioners, Jocelyn Fedowitz, Deputy Attorney General, on behalf of the Division of Gaming Enforcement. You have the division's report along with the stipulation of settlement that has been entered with the applicant. The division respectfully requests that the stipulation be approved as submitted and recommends the granting of the applicant's Casino Key employee license, subject to the terms and conditions of the stipulation. Thank you.
Are there any questions for council?
No, sir.
No.
Hearing none, is there a motion?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. At this time, I move to approve the stipulation of settlement between the division and the applicant and grant the initial application of Jeffrey Bartone for a Casino Key employee license, subject to compliance with the terms and conditions as provided in the stipulation.
Is there a second?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
Any further discussion?
No, sir.
No.
Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed? Ayes have it.
Item number 11 is consideration of the initial application of Deborah Martone for a Casino Key employee license. That docket number is 250103SI. Again, Senior Counsel Teresa Pimpinelli will review it with you.
Chairman Commissioners, Teresa Pimpinelli, Senior Counsel, appearing for the commission. For your consideration is a stipulation of settlement for the initial application of Debbie Martone for her Casino Key employee license. If approved, Ms. Martone's license will be valid through August of 2030. You have staff's memo and recommendation for this matter. Ms. Martone was notified of today's proceedings. I would ask counsel for the division to enter their appearance and proceed.
Chairman and Commissioners, Jocelyn Fedowitz, Deputy Attorney General, on behalf of the Division of Gaming Enforcement. You have the division's report along with a stipulation of settlement that has been entered with the applicant. The division respectfully requests that the stipulation be approved as submitted and recommends the granting of the applicant's Casino Key employee license, subject to the terms and conditions of the stipulation. Thank you.
Are there any questions for council on this matter?
No, sir.
No.
Is there a motion?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. At this time, I move to approve the stipulation of settlement between the division and the applicant and grant the initial application of Debbie Martone for a Casino Key employee license, again, subject to compliance with the terms and conditions as provided for in the stipulation.
Is there a second?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
Any further discussion?
No, sir.
Hearing none, all in favor say aye. Aye. Opposed? Ayes have it.
Item number 12 is consideration of the initial application of Ricardo Hernandez for a Casino Key employee license, docket number 250097SI. Again, we have Senior Counsel Teresa Pimpinelli to review it. Oh, that's right. I'm sorry. This matter is adjourned.
Yes.
I got in such a rhythm. Item number 13, consideration of the initial application of Kyle Dodato for a Casino Key employee license. His docket number is 250096CK. This we have Senior Counsel Teresa Pimpinelli to review with you.
Chairman and Commissioners, Teresa Pimpinelli, Senior Counsel, appearing for the commission. For your consideration is a stipulation of settlement for the initial application of Kyle Dodato for his Casino Key employee license. If approved, Mr. Dodato's license will be valid through August of 2030. You have staff's memo and recommendation for this matter. Mr. Dodato was notified of today's proceedings. I would just ask counsel for the division to enter their appearance and proceed.
Chairman and Commissioners, Jocelyn Fedowitz, Deputy Attorney General, on behalf of the Division of Gaming Enforcement. The division filed a supplemental report dated July 23rd, 2025, withdrawing the division's request for a conference in this matter, as the applicant has provided documentation that the applicant amended their federal and state of New Jersey tax returns for tax years 2022 and 2023 and paid all resulting liability. Accordingly, the division now recommends the granting of the applicant's application for casino licensure. Thank you.
Are there any questions for council?
No, sir.
No.
Hearing none, is there a motion?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. At this time, I move to grant the initial application of Kyle Dodato for a Casino Key employee license.
Is there a second?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
Any further discussion?
No, sir.
No.
Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Ayes have it.
Item number 14 is consideration of the initial decision in the matter of the appeal of EB for removal from the self-exclusion list, docket number 250026AP. I have Senior Counsel Pimpinelli will address it with you.
Again, Chairman, Commissioners, Teresa Pimpinelli, Senior Counsel, appearing for the commission. My final matter for your consideration today is the June 16, 2025 initial decision of hearing examiner Cooper in this matter. You have the complete record in this matter, all of which is subject to the applicable confidentiality and privacy requirements. The appellant is not present, I would ask the division to enter its appearance and proceed, and I respectfully remind all parties that appellant's identity is confidential.
Thank you. Jamie McKelvey, Deputy Attorney General, appearing on behalf of the New Jersey Division of Gaming Enforcement. EB self-excluded through the FanDuel app for a 5-year term on May 13, 2024. He did so voluntarily, following an 8-step process which required he accept several acknowledgments, which explicitly advised EB of all consequences of self-exclusion. Based on the arguments previously set forth by the division on the record, we respectfully request that the appellant remain on the self-exclusion list for the remainder of his self-exclusion term. We also request that the full commission adopt the initial decision rendered on June 16, 2025.
And for the record,
EB?
EB is not present, correct?
Correct.
Thank you. Are there any questions for counsel?
No.
No.
Is there a motion?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. At this time, I move to adopt the initial decision and find that the appellant EB failed to demonstrate that he did not intentionally place himself on the division self-exclusion list as required by NJAC 13:69G-2.2C, and I also deny his request to be removed from the division self-exclusion list prior to May 13th, 2029 expiration date.
Is there a second?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
Any further discussion?
No, sir.
Hearing none, all in favor say aye. Aye. Opposed? Ayes have it. Thank you.
Item number 15 is thank you, Teresa. Item number 15 is the joint petition of Caesars Entertainment, Inc., William Hill U.S. HoCo, Inc., and Caesars Interactive Entertainment New Jersey, LLC, for the issuance of a temporary casino key employee license to Ellie Kim pursuant to NJSA 5:12-89E, and to permit her to assume the duties and exercise the powers of Vice President, Payments and Fraud of William Hill U.S. HoCo, Inc. This matter was initiated by a petition, PRN 1912505, dated July 10, 2025, seeking, as indicated, the temporary casino key employee licensure with the waiver of residency and for temporary qualification to serve in the position indicated, Vice President of Payments and Frauds. The position would also be relative to William Hill U.S. HoCo, Inc., and Caesars Interactive Entertainment, New Jersey. We have counsel for Caesars Entertainment et al. Here, as well as counsel for the division. And with your permission, Mr. Chairman, I ask that they enter their appearances and address the commission directly.
Good morning, Chair, members of the Commission, Pacifico Agnolini, on behalf of Caesars Entertainment, Inc., William Hill U.S. HoldCo, and Caesars Interactive Entertainment, New Jersey, LLC. From Brownstein Hyatt Farber Track. Thank you.
Morning.
Good morning, Chairman and Commissioners, Deputy Attorney General Nicole Chamra on behalf of Division of Gaming Enforcement.
Before you this morning is a petition seeking the issuance of a temporary casino key employee license as well as approval for the temporary qualification of L. Kim to allow her to serve as the Vice President of Payments and Fraud for William Hill U.S. HoldCo, Inc. and Caesars Interactive Entertainment New Jersey, LLC. We have reviewed the draft resolution and the division's report. We have no objections or comments and would ask that you approve same. Thank you.
The division followed a response dated August 4th, 2025 of no objection to the temporary qualification of L. Kim. The division has also reviewed the draft resolution and outside of the one suggested change has no objection. Thank you.
Are there any questions for counsel?
No.
No, sir.
Hearing none, is there a motion?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. At this time, I move to approve the petition and issue a temporary casino key employee license to L. Kim pursuant to NJSA 5:12-89B4, NJSA 5:12-89E, and NJAC 19:41A-5.3, and permit her to assume the duties and exercise the powers of Vice President of Payments and Fraud for William Hill, U.S. Holdco, Inc., and Caesars Interactive Entertainment New Jersey, LLC, pending plenary qualification. And that's all in accordance with the conditions contained in NJSA 5:12-85.1 and NJAC 13:69C-2.7. Excuse me. Further grant the petitioner's request to waive the residency requirement as provided for in NJSA 5:12-89B4.
Is there a second?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
Any further discussion?
No, sir.
No.
Hearing none, roll call vote.
Commissioner Formica?
Yes.
Commissioner Molyneux?
Yes.
And Chairman Pelosi?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Item number 16, that matter is adjourned. Item number 17, joint petition of Premier Entertainment, AC, LLC, and Bally's Corporation, requesting permission for Louis A. Pinedo to assume the duties and exercise the powers of General Counsel, North America for Bally's Corporation, pending plenary qualification. That action was initiated by petition 1952504, dated July 14, 2025, filed by, as indicated, casino licensee Premier Entertainment, AC LLC, and its parent company, Bally's Corporation, seeking the temporary qualification of Mr. Pinedo. You have before you counsel for Premier and Bally's, as well as counsel for the division, and I ask, Mr. Chairman, that they enter their appearances and direct their remarks to the commission directly.
Good morning, Chair, Commissioners. Lynn Levin Kaufman, Cooper Levinson for Premier Entertainment, AC, LLC, and Bally's Corporation.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chairman and Commissioners, Deputy Attorney General Nicole Chandra on behalf of Division of Gaming Enforcement.
As stated by Ms. Fauntleroy, Premier Entertainment, AC, LLC, which is Bally's Atlantic City, and Bally's Corporation, filed a petition seeking temporary qualification of Luis Pinedo to serve as General Counsel, North America, for Bally's Corporation, and exercise the duties and powers of that position prior to plenary qualification. Prior to that, Lou Dorn had served in that position, and he has resigned. I've reviewed the draft resolution and have no objections, and kindly request the relief in the resolution. Thank you.
The division filed a response dated July 28, 2025, with no objection to the temporary qualification of Luis Pinedo. The division has also reviewed the draft resolution and has no changes. Thank you.
Are there any questions for council?
No, sir.
Hearing none, is there a motion?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. At this time, I move to adopt the draft resolution and authorize Luis A. Pinedo on a temporary basis and prior to his plenary qualification to assume the duties and exercise the powers of General Counsel, North America for Bally's Corporation, and subject to the conditions contained in NJSA 5:12-85.1C, NJSA 5:12-89B1 and 2, and NJAC 13:69C-2.7.
Is there a second?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
Any further discussion?
No.
Hearing none, roll call vote.
Commissioner Formica?
Yes.
Commissioner Molyneux?
Yes.
And Chairman Pelosi?
Yes.
Item number 18 is consideration of the plenary qualification of Joseph D. Mouse to serve as Chief Financial Officer of Standard General, LP. This matter was first initiated by petition 344-2401 that was dated December 6, 2024, seeking the temporary qualification for Mr. Mouse to serve in the position indicated. The matter was put before you at your January 17, 2025 special meeting, at which time you granted temporary qualification as reflected in Commission Resolution 2501-1701. Now before you is Mr. Mouse's plenary qualification, and again, you have counsel for Bally's Corp. As well as Premier, and counsel for the division, and with your permission, I ask that they enter their appearances again for the record and direct their remarks to the commission directly.
Good morning again. Lynn Levin Kaufman, Cooper Levinson for Premier Entertainment, AC LLC, and Bally's Corporation.
Good morning, Chairman and Commissioners, Deputy Attorney General Nicole Chammer on behalf of the Division of Gaming Enforcement.
Morning.
Okay, as stated, Mr. Mouse was temporarily qualified to assume the duties and exercise the powers of CFO of Standard General prior to his plenary qualification. His qualification is required as Standard General is a holding company of Premier Entertainment AC LLC and is the majority shareholder. The division issued its letter report recommending plenary qualification of Mr. Mouse, and I am here today to ask you to grant plenary qualification per the division's recommendation. I've reviewed the resolution and have no objections. Thank you.
The division submitted its report dated August 5th, recommending the plenary qualification of Joseph Mouse. The division has also reviewed the draft resolution, has no objection. Thank you.
Thank you.
Are there any questions for council?
No, sir.
Hearing none, is there a motion?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. This time, I move to adopt the draft resolution and find that Joseph D. Mouse qualified to serve as Chief Financial Officer of Standard General LP in accordance with NJSA 5:12-85.1 and NJAC 13:69C-2.7.
Is there a second?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
Any further discussion?
No.
Hearing none, roll call vote.
Commissioner Formica,
Yes.
Commissioner Molyneux,
Yes.
and Chairman Pelosi.
Yes.
In accordance with Resolution 24111203, the next closed session shall be held on Wednesday, September 10, 2025, at 9:30 a.m. in Commission offices.
This is the public participation portion of the meeting. Is there anyone from the public that wishes to speak?
Chair, I would wish to speak.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. As we all know now, I'm Lynn Levin Kaufman, and I would like to thank Commissioner Cooper for her service to the casino industry, Atlantic City, and the state. I have had the privilege of appearing before this commission while she has been on it many times over her entire tenure at the commission, and I have valued her professionalism, her integrity, her compassion, her commitment to Atlantic City, New Jersey, and the casino industry. And although we had the privilege of her unique understanding of the entertainment industry and the entertainment value that the casino industry brings to Atlantic City and New Jersey, my only regret is that she never sang to us a motion or a resolution. So, and welcome, Commissioner Formica. I only hope that if your tenure is as long as Commissioner Cooper's, that I will be retired by then. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for those comments.
We will direct her to the streaming version so that she can see, she can hear your comments. So, yes.
Ms. Fauntleroy, do we have any email comments?
No, we do not, Mr.
Okay.
Chairman.
With that being said, is there a motion to adjourn?
Yes, thank you, Mr. Chairman. I make a motion to adjourn.
Is there a second?
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion.
All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Aye.